In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Monzo card to Apple Pay for 2025. Whether you're a new user or just looking to make the switch to using your Monzo card with Apple Pay, this guide is here to make the process simple and straightforward. Let's kick things off by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. This app is your gateway to Apple Pay, allowing you to manage your cards and make transactions seamlessly from your device. As you open the app, you'll notice a plus icon typically located at the top corner of the interface. Go ahead and tap on this plus sign. This is the crucial step to start adding a new card. Once you've tapped on the plus icon, the app will present you with options and you'll want to select Add Debit or Credit Card. This process is designed to be intuitive, guiding you step by step. At this point, you've got two choices. You can either scan your Monzo card using your iPhone's camera or enter the card details manually. Let's begin with scanning. If you choose to scan your card, position your card within the frame that appears on the screen. Apple Pay will automatically detect the card number and expiry date, saving you the hassle of entering the information yourself. Remember, the camera function is not only convenient but also secure, so there's nothing to worry about here. Alternatively, if you'd prefer or need to enter your card details manually, you'll be prompted to type in your name as it appears on the card, along with your card number, expiry date, and security code. Be careful as you type to ensure there are no errors that could delay the setup process. Now, Apple will need to verify your card. This step is essential for security purposes. You might receive a text message or an email with a verification code, or perhaps you'll be asked to log into your Monzo account. Just follow the instructions as they appear on your screen to successfully complete the verification. Once verification is completed and the details are confirmed, voila, your Monzo card will appear in your Apple Wallet. Now you're all set. Your card is ready to use with Apple Pay, enabling you to make contactless payments swiftly and effortlessly from your iPhone or Apple Watch. And there you have it. Adding your Monzo card to Apple Pay couldn't be easier. You can now enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay with the flexibility and control that Monzo offers. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident about setting up your card. Thanks for watching and enjoy shopping with ease.